Okay, so this is the latest craziness that I've come up with, and that's this. Comes out only comes out this far, which is about a foot, 12 inches. It comes out, rotates if if that's what you need it to do, and then keep this for branches up above, backing into a spot or something maybe. And then my level. That's how I level it. There's an app and some other stuff, but this is how I'm going to do it. And then, some of the old stuff is pretty cool. Just the technology didn't catch up. And this is an old Maglite, as some of you guys might recognize. And this was something that a friend of mine made. Um, you see that? It's probably backwards or whatever. But his name was Chris Bell, and he had Beltech.com, Blazing Industries, I believe. And he had that company. I don't know if it's still around or not. I haven't heard from him in a while, but I've I've had this bracket. He gave this to me a long time ago, and it's finally, I think, found its home. So I'm gonna get the battery pack that goes in here, the new one instead of the D's, and the lithium ion, and then boom, and then that'll get right there. And so that's my plan for that. So, and plus two, all those three things on the bottom, all those all those three things, I can use those for other. They have an other tactical purposes, I guess. But right there, that's kind of where we're just going to leave that one. And let's just look over here. Look at the queen bee. Oh boy, she is just fired up. Because we got the Bob the Builder over there. He's got everything in the world going on. Nobody's running the show. The job's running itself. You know, that's why you know the works the workers are parking on people's yards. But anyways, but look at how intense she is. Oh my gosh. Well, okay, so back at the task at hand, um, that I believe is it's going to be a keeper, or at least a prototype. This is my first deal with this. Um, this beautiful gift right here is going to have to reside the ice chest. It'll just have to go inside the door right there for now. Um, yeah, because this little bay right here isn't, or the basement. It's not that deep. I mean, it does go the whole width of everything, and I have 3 more bags on the other side. Matter of fact, we'll just if I don't screw it all up, what do you think, Puckins? Hmm? So over here to this side, so I don't know if you can tell or not, but I have these Hilti bags, and that's what makes up the rest of the width. They're not full. They have each. I have There's a total of 3 of them, and each bag will get it'll get a designation as to what its duty is. So one bag is going to be for fixing, one bag is going to be for, sorry. This is really weird doing it backwards like this, but I'm just trying to make it better. And then this too will, of course, improve. You know, I mean, I don't think you should just ever so settle for something. Get committed to that first little thing there. So you just kind of work on it a little bit, um, using what I got. You know, so yeah. So far, um, I'm pretty happy with it. I gotta get